Alright everybody, how y'all doing today, and welcome back to my channel again. I'm coming to you with an unboxing of my MHQJRH M.2 2280mm SSD heatsink. Yes, one thing I love about the product, it has a variety of colors. As you can see on the product, the presentation is well spot on. You got your red, silver, green, yellow, blue, violet, and black. I got the black edition. That's what's showing. The model number is YTM02. I will be go ahead and putting the description under the link. I will be putting the description and the link listed below. It comes from Amazon. So if you are interested in purchasing a heatsink for your M.2 drive, then this product will work for you. I paid a little under $9.99 for it. Now it's going to be taking care of my Team Group M.2 2280mm. Now just keep in mind that the tape, if you remove the tape, you will be destroying the warranty of the product. So do not remove the product. Two reasons. One, if something happens to it, it's still under warranty, and two, when you send it back in, they can identify what model you have, as well as what type of as well as your serial number, as well as that too, and the type of it you have. Alright, let's get into the unboxing of it. Let me go ahead and get my knife. I left my knife. Hold on. Let me get my knife and let's get into opening the product. Alrighty, now we are back and we're finna open this baby up. Now, one thing I like about it, it's simple, it's easy to install. You know, you cannot go wrong with it. Just make sure you line up everything perfectly and properly with the product. Okay, I got Butterfinger. Oh, there we go. The good thing I like about it is that it comes with its own screwdriver. Now, one of my subscribers had put me on to this here, and I appreciate that he did, because my M.2 drive here has been heating up, and I noticed that my performance level is going it's slowing down a little bit. So I'm glad that he put me on game. That I'll be putting his link in the description below. If you want to go ahead and subscribe to his channel, he's a good gamer. He also upgrading his rig slowly but surely. He got the outstanding, wonderful gaming rig for his needs only. It performs well and it does what it's supposed to do. Now it comes with the screwdriver, but I will not be using the screwdriver for that. I'll be using my own screwdriver. So let me go ahead and get that right now. Because I had basically magnetized my tip, so that's a blessing right there. So now we get the heatsink itself. It's simple, easy to use, and this piece here is for this end right here. So you make sure you line up everything correctly, and there go your back end piece there. The heatsink feel fine, so you cannot go wrong with that. Same thing, you get 3 heatsink pads, one for the top and one for the bottom. Now I'll be putting a link in the description below from Paul's Hardware, because he also shows the how to install this and do not remove the warranty off of the M.2 drive. Just like I explained, once you remove the warranty, the manufacturer will not know what serial number of the product and what model number you have. And as you see, the warranty is in the corner. I have a 3-year warranty. I purchased this about 2 years ago, so it still kicks. When this goes out, I'll just go ahead and purchase another one and go ahead and stick with the manufacturing tab there. So let's go ahead and get into the installation. You peel off one. Nice, good. So let me go ahead and line this up perfectly. If you don't, then you'll be in trouble. Okay, that's down. Alrighty, one down. And one thing I like about this, I got butterfingers. The adhesive peels off perfectly. So now you're gonna go ahead on in, line up the hole with the hole. Once you do that, you just press down firmly, and voila. Now just keep this in mind. This is going back into my Asus build. I did a video on that there. It's in my keyboard build. Now I also did the unboxing of the Solo T2. I'm going to be downgrading to that case for many reasons, because one is too bulky, and two, when I tried to go ahead and purchase another case for it, I noticed that some of the case prices are going up sky high. So I'm just gonna wait a while until we get more cases out. On the case I got on mine is the Antic case, because I'm filling their cases right now. I'll be putting their link in the description below. So if y'all want to purchase their product, you can. And and you can be happy with it. Antec will not let you down, so that's a blessing right there. And the last thing but the least, you line up your screw holes with and voila, and she's done. Boy, that baby looking nice and sleek. Cause see, the reason why I haven't purchased one was because I thought you had to remove the warranty label tape. And after I got to doing my research on the product below, I had found out that you do not need to remove that. So I said, okay, cool. Now the label itself dissipates some of the heat, so but with the extra thermal tape on top, you cannot go wrong with that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and line my screws up. Make sure you line them up right, because if you don't, then you'll just be sitting out here screwing, probably damaging the product. So line it up right, like how I'm doing, and you cannot go wrong with that. That's the one thing I love about, watching other subscribers, because when you do, you can go ahead on and see what product they use, and you can go ahead and click on the affiliated link to purchase the product. Show some love and support for the all the tech tubers. Just like I said, the subscriber I subscribe to, I will be putting his video link into the description below if y'all want to check him out. Y'all can go ahead and do that. He's a real cool guy. Youngster. Like in his early to late 20s, and he's a gamer on top of that too. But just like us gamers, we like to play our games in peace. He does have a Twitch channel, as well as I think he has a Instagram account. But if he don't, then that's it already. Everything is in. And my silly butt me, you know what I did wrong? I installed it in backwards, because I'm trying to figure out why I can't have access to my screw holes. So make sure you pay attention to what you're doing. I'm just basically running off at the mouth, doing my thing, making a mistake. Oh, there go the blooper. Got to take everything loose. Once you go ahead on and make that mistake, just take everything loose, and pay attention to what you're doing. Now, once I go ahead and correct that, then we'll be all good and down. You can see I can't access my screw hole because I got my screw hole down there, and I should have known better. But anyway, this is what the product looks like when you done installing it the correct way. So y'all gonna enjoy the blooper as well too. So I'm gonna let y'all have fun with that as well. Okay, so there we go, and it comes off easy without not a thing. That's the thing I like about stuff like that. There we go, perfect fit now. So now one thing I like about the products, easy installation. And you cannot go wrong with that. And I just found out I have my magnetic screwdriver, so that's cool. I thought it wasn't magnetized. So, but other than that, like I said, I will be putting the link in the description below if y'all want to go ahead and purchase one. You know, they got all different colors. They come in red, silver, green, yellow, blue, and violet, and also black. You know, I like everything all dark Vaderized. So, you know, and that's the main reason why I'm coming down to my solo T2, because I want to go ahead and save some space on my desk. You know, one thing I love about my wife, she brought my mouse pad and new keyboard and everything. So that works out great because it downgraded my Logitech, which they are great keyboards, basic simple keyboard, and it's small. So, you know, it saves up a lot of space on my desk, and I could go ahead on and have fun just writing and etc. And that's one thing I love about my wife. She looked at my desk and she said, you know what, he needs something different up here. And she went ahead and she did her homework. That's why I sit down here and tell everybody, before you buy your parts, researching what type of PC user you are. You know, just like with me, I saw a lot of YouTube videos, you know, for the big time boys, for all the big time subscribers, and all their stuff don't work for me because they more high end and high power. Okay, this is the finished product. It's nicely installed. I like the fact that you got the logo, double side cooling. So, you know, now on the M.2, it does not have no memory controllers or anything on the other side, so just on one side. Other than that, this looks nice and I love it. Alright, I want to say thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for listening to my little statement here, you know, running off at the mouth. And you know, you got more thermal padding there, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep that box. Keep the screwdriver, because that's a big handy tech. This is one reason why I like this company here, by MHQJRH. The model number is YTMO2. I'll be putting the link in the description below, so you can go ahead and purchase one if you know you need your M.2 heatsink on your M.2. And also, my bad, it comes with the instructions. So if you're a first time user like me, I already saw how to install it. So, and voila, they go the instructions as y'all saw me do it. So if you don't know what you're doing, these instructions will help out better. So I want to thank y'all for watching. You know, the presentation is real spot on. Subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the like button on the way out if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.